In this week TikTok live streaming, which will be planned on this Saturday, literally that will be on a Sunday early morning after midnight, which will be 1 a.m. in Singapore local time. And for my dear South African followers, it will be 7 p.m. South Africa local time. And in a broader sense, in my live stream, I will get real with you, right? In the broad subject of digital marketing. So it is actually an evergreen business skill set in the digital space. And the whole point of giving you a lot of insights and my learning journey since 2020, right? When I started out before the COVID times, right? To master the skill sets of digital marketing, right? Fundamentally is to help myself, and of course now eventually is to help you, right? To embrace the idea of creating multiple sources of income online through areas like affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct selling, e-commerce, etc. And I also discovered along the way, right, because of my exposure, right, at a deeper level in digital marketing, right, applying into my network marketing business as well as my affiliated, right, multiple affiliated marketing businesses, right. So the side benefits, which is actually a bonus, is it helps me to identify what are real, right, real online income generating opportunities, which means, in other words, on the flip side, right, that means it helps me to avoid online scams. So that means the short answer will be through the learning and mastering about digital marketing skill sets, right, and the professional knowledge about digital marketing. It I can really, help to guide you, right, how to identify the genuine, proper, and official and legit, right, business opportunities in the digital space. And in turn, of course, you can protect yourself and prevent yourself being scammed. And following that, right, I will also give you updates about how I gotten myself my TikTok account to be verified, just like my Instagram account, as well as my Facebook account, right? So how did I, eventually lead up, right, to all these three types of social media account being verified, right? Verification means these social media companies, right, vouch for me, right, that my account is genuinely, right, representing a real person and what I professionally, you know, representing, right? So it gives an additional, right, layer, right, to my personal brand, how I represent myself, my digital footprint in my social media presence. So that means it's actually very good for business, right? So if you are trying to promote yourself, your products, or your services, right, it is actually a good goal, a good objective to set to get your social media account to be verified eventually. So how do you get yourself prepared to eventually being invited, right? Right. In all my social media account, right, with TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, right? Basically, they send me the invitation to go for the verification, not I go to them to ask for it, right? So it means something in my opinion. So I would like to share this. What did I learn to getting this verification done on my TikTok? And in addition, right, TikTok now open up to you, right? Especially if you are trying to run a business using TikTok, right? They actually open up for you, right? The AI powered chat in your DM, right? That means another way to understand it is a virtual assistant, the AI powered virtual assistant in your DM. So for business owners that you are trying to generate leads, right, by having direct messaging, that means private messaging, right, form of communication to your potential customers. It is a great addition. It is a great business features for you. So in this week, TikTok live stream, right? I'm going to share with you how can you go and get yourself set up, right? This business feature properly so that you have something, a virtual assistant to assist you 24/7, so that you still enjoy the time freedom, right? To focus on your business planning, that needs your attention rather than to be the all day long messaging away. right? And you don't have a life. While you have a business, but you don't have a life. So with this virtual assistant, it will help, right, to and for you to avoid this kind of situation. For repetitive tasks, your virtual assistant can assist you and leading up to you, right, successfully uh, generate leads by collecting, right, your potential customers database, like contact information, right? For example, right? So that would be the result of setting this up. And last but not least, right, I will also update you about this one of the violation encounter about original content dispute, right, on TikTok, which I personally, right, it's going through, and I have one of my original content being flagged by the TikTok AI as unoriginal content. So I'm going through this process of proving myself that this content created, right, is actually original. So what are the things that I have learned through this appeal process, right? So I will be sharing with you this my what I the learning points in this incident, right? And from this encounter, it again strengthened my belief system, which I always right mentioned and advocated strongly in all my TikTok live stream, is that you never right depend right on social media platform right in managing your CRM. That means your customers database. Never leave all this your digital asset on the social media platform. And this is one classic example whereby my because of the so-called right unoriginal content, which is not true, right? And they TikTok actually suspended right my affiliated commission on my TikTok shop for creators. And that means if I have depended that as my primary source of income online, then I would have lost my income overnight. So my learning journey in this appeal process may help you, right, to strengthen the idea that you must take your customer database off the platform to somewhere whereby you have total control. So I look forward to seeing you, right, in this week's TikTok live streaming. Okay, so read the caption for more details.